Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Nigerian omelette. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 large eggs, 1 medium onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 2 small tomatoes. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Make sure your non-stick pan and spatula are ready for action. Now, let's get those vibrant vegetables ready. Begin by finely dicing your 1 medium onion and 2 small tomatoes. Next, chop 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper into small, uniform pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add all the chopped vegetables and sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are nicely softened. With your vegetables perfectly sautéed, it's time for the eggs. In a separate bowl, crack 4 large eggs. Add a generous pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper, then whisk them vigorously until they are light and frothy. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the softened vegetables in your pan. Let it cook undisturbed on medium-low heat for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Almost there. Once the edges of the omelet are set and the center is mostly firm, it's time to finish. Gently use your spatula to fold the omelet in half, creating a beautiful crescent shape. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to fully set and warm through. Slide your delicious, golden brown Nigerian omelet onto a plate and serve it hot. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.